done. So what we got going on here now? What engine is this?
Ren, before I tell you what engine this is, with reference to the interview that we did before, I'd like to refer to that car's beauty. And behold, over here is the beast. This is and by no shortfall of parts, this is a fully built B18C Honda engine. The only thing that is in this setup that is stock is the casting of the block and the crank. Everything else has aftermarket parts, from the head,
Cams, valves,
titanium turbo valves, upgraded cams.
No expenses paid.
Nothing, no expenses paid at all.
Well, we all know for reliability and power, that's the direction you have to take.
You're correct, because nothing in this car again is Chinese. Everything is proper stuff, and everything was bought to work in tandem with the other parts to support.
If you mind me asking, what piston rod combo you're running on this?
The piston is CP, and the rods are Manley rods.
One of my favorite pistons. I don't know why. I just love CP pistons. They've always been good to me. Love them. Right? And the crank in this engine.
Stock GSR crank. The crank and the casting of the block stock.
Because the two stock things.
Only two stock things. 2000cc injectors.
So I see it's AEM rail.
AEM rail injector dynamics 2000cc injectors.
Okay. And what power is this car putting out right now?
When the car was on a Honda management, we tuned the car to 500 horsepower. With that figure, it only took us 19 pounds a boost to 500 horsepower. We estimate right now that the car will go down to 10 seconds easily. The power is there, the response is there, and again, it is tuned by the best, Kester Johnson, Ultimate Sport Tuning. I have come across many other tuners, but the response that this car has is a bit scary.
Could imagine. And as far as time goes, did you say the best time on the car so far? I can't remember.
Yeah, I probably did, but I could repeat it. The best time that the car did was 11.3 for a front wheel drive car. Yes, we're on race fuel just to safeguard the engine, but 11.3 with a broken gearbox. Bear that in mind. And this is a stock H pattern Honda gearbox. The only thing that I change inside of there is synchros and the diff. Stock gearing, Honda gearing.
Well, I'm sure I'm not the only one looking forward to seeing this monster on the track 2021 and coming.
It will be there, definitely.
So we're all excited to see what you do. And good luck in the future, because it's a basically a 10-second car. It's just to put it there.
It is
right?
10 seconds. We had some guys review the car abroad, and the only thing I need to work on is a little more traction. So we have that in the back. Definitely.
Alright. Well, 2021. Exciting times ahead.
Yeah, man, definitely.
And how much power is that?
Only 300 movie ticket.
Holy shit. Wait. As me and partners is saying, we have a saying, first, second, word. Word. Wow. My goodness. So we back here, and as you can see, the two Civics, well, boost is boost, can't get away from that. The Beauty was a real nice experience, real nice daily driver. That car is very responsive, very fun car. Thanks again, Don, for having us.
Most welcome.
You know, Octane Addicts, you all don't forget, like, share, subscribe, right? We out here. So, you have any rides you're interested on featuring on the channel, hit us up, send us our inbox. Octane Addicts TT, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, reach out to us anywhere, right? We'll get the job done. Thank you for watching. See you soon.